Behind me is an Alfa Romeo Stelvio Quadrifoglio, and it's basically a Ferrari. So the same twin-turbo V8 that's used in a Ferrari F8 Tributo is used in this car, except it has two cylinders lopped off. So instead of a twin-turbo 90-degree V8, it's a twin-turbo 90-degree V6. It makes 505 horsepower and sounds like this. To keep your engine cool, you get these functional vents. I get these brand new headlights for 2024. I get drilled rotors and my 4-leaf clover. Not only is this all-wheel drive, it has a carbon fiber drive shaft, which means more power can get to the ground. And we like more power to the ground. And because it's an SUV, you get a really good amount of space. Inside, I get a panoramic roof. I have these heated leather seats with a thigh extension and these giant bolsters. I have a wireless charging pad right there, an area for my key. I get carbon fiber here, more carbon fiber on my dash, a screen there, another one here, and these giant paddle shifters that shift in 150 milliseconds, which is literally the blink of an eye. In the back, my seats are heated with decent room. I get cup holders plus a phone holder and vents.